Alright, let's dive into this because it's a topic that's been buzzing everywhere lately. AI and the future of work. I saw this Reddit thread where people were listing jobs they think AI will replace, and honestly, some of the predictions are wild. But here's the thing, it's not just about which jobs might disappear, it's about how AI is reshaping the way we think about work itself. So, let's break this down, add some perspective, and maybe even challenge a few assumptions along the way. First off, the hook that grabbed me was the idea that software developers might be in trouble. One commenter said the job won't die entirely, but there will be far fewer developers making money because product owners can just describe what they want and get a decent implementation. Personally, I think this is both true and misleading. Yes, AI can automate coding tasks, but here's the kicker. It's not about replacing developers, it's about shifting their role. The developers who thrive will be the ones who understand how to leverage AI, not just write code. What many people don't realize is that AI still needs human oversight. It's not perfect, and it won't be anytime soon. So, if you're a developer, maybe it's time to think about how you can work with AI, not against it. Another prediction that stood out was actors and the film industry. Someone said AI could generate live-action scenes that are decent enough to replace actors. Now, this is fascinating because it raises a deeper question. What makes art and performance uniquely human? AI can mimic, but can it truly create? In my opinion, actors bring something intangible, emotion, nuance, and authenticity that AI can't replicate. Sure, AI might handle background scenes or minor roles, but the stars? I don't see them being replaced anytime soon. What this really suggests is that AI will likely augment the industry, not gut it entirely. Then there's the idea that AI will replace journalists. One commenter said online journalists are already just churning out clickbait, and AI can do that easily. Here's where I have to disagree, partially. Yes, AI can generate content quickly, but good journalism isn't just about words, it's about investigation, context, and critical thinking. AI can't replace a journalist who uncovers a scandal or provides deep analysis. What's more likely is that AI will handle the grunt work, summaries, data analysis, freeing up journalists to focus on what really matters. From my perspective, this isn't a death sentence for journalism, it's an evolution. One prediction that made me pause was AI replacing historians. As someone who loves history, this one hit close to home. But here's the thing, history isn't just about facts, it's about interpretation, storytelling, and understanding the human experience. AI can process data, but can it truly understand the complexities of the past? I don't think so. What makes this really interesting is how AI might actually help historians by uncovering patterns or analyzing documents at scale. It's not about replacement, it's about collaboration. Now, let's talk about marketing and design. Someone said AI will take a big hit at designing websites, logos, and flyers. Personally, I think this is one area where AI will make a significant impact. Why? Because a lot of design work is formulaic. It follows trends and templates. AI can handle that easily. But here's the catch. Creativity and originality are still human domains. AI can't come up with a groundbreaking campaign or a truly unique brand identity, at least not yet. So, if you're in marketing, focus on the strategic, creative side, not just the execution. Finally, the most provocative idea in the thread was that there are no jobs AI won't affect. This is where I think we need to take a step back and think about it. AI isn't just a tool, it's a catalyst for a fundamental societal and economic shift. But here's the thing, every technological revolution has been met with fear, and every time, we've adapted. AI won't replace humans, it'll redefine what it means to work. The question isn't which jobs will disappear, but how we'll reinvent ourselves to thrive in this new landscape. So, what's my takeaway? AI isn't the enemy, but it's not a savior either. It's a tool, a powerful one, that will change the way we work. The jobs that survive won't be the ones AI can't do. They'll be the ones where humans bring something AI can't: creativity, empathy, and the ability to think critically. If you're worried about AI replacing your job, maybe it's time to ask yourself, what can I do that a machine can't? That's the question that'll define the future of work. What do you think? Are there jobs you believe AI can't replace, or is the future more uncertain than we realize? Let me know in the comments. I'm curious to hear your thoughts.